the previous example we finished the task of writing an object to a file. Just to recall it, we have the address class with street and country as attributes, and we have the getters and setters, and we have the toString method. And write object, we create the write object, obj object of the write object class. Then we have the address object of the address class, and we set street and set country. And next we have this method that we have written, serialize address. So this method, we have file output stream, object output stream, and just like this we can write the object to a file. We discussed in the last tutorial. This is also possible. This is also an alternative method for serialized address. Now let's look into the example of reading the object. So we create an object, we have the class called read object. We create an object of read object, and we have a reference variable of type address, and we have deserialize address method which we have written, and we are passing the path to the file which we have in the previous example, address.scr serialized object. And inside the deserialized address method, this is the example, you have file input stream object reference, file object input stream reference, and next we are passing the file input stream object which has the file name to object input stream, and from that we are retrieving the object, and make sure we have to cast it. This returns an object and we have to cast it to address in order to assign it to a variable. And as usual we have to use the finally block to close the strings. So this is an important part where you deserialize the address. Make sure you do the necessary casting. So if we run this example, here we are printing the object that is retrieved, street was street, country United States. Now if we change the previous example, write object, any given road, any street, and we change it to any country. And if we read this object, it will print any street and any country. So this is an example